Welcome to another session of Ebenezer Gate coaching classes. This is a problem that appeared in Gate 2005. It is a multiple choice question for 1 mark. A ramp input applied to an unity feedback system results in 5% steady state error. The type, number, and zero frequency gain of the system are respectively. Any transfer function general form is written like this. T of S is A 1 plus TAS 1 plus TBS, so on and so forth, divided by S power P, where P is the type of the type number, by 1 T1S 1 plus T2S, etc. Now, let me call it as G of S. If you have a unity feedback system, then the closed loop transfer function, let me call it CT of S. CT of S will be 1 by 1 plus G of S. Sorry, G of S by 1 plus G of S. And the error will be E of S will be output C of S divided by T of S divided by the open loop transformation. So this is actually E of S will be actually output C of S will be G of S by 1 plus G of S into input R of S divided by G of S. C of S will be G of S, R of S by 1 plus G of S, that divided by G. So this is R of S by 1 plus G of S is the error. Now steady state error is limit S tends to 0, S E of S, or this limit S tends to 0, S R of S by 1 plus E of S. So you have an input ramp. So input ramp means R of S is Tu of T. Sorry, R of T is T of. Sorry, let me not just. R of T is Tu of T, or R of S is 1 by S squared. So steady state error. Steady state error will be given by limit S tends to 0. S into R of S is 1 by S squared by 1 plus T of S, or the limit S tends to 0, 1 by S 1 plus T of S, or this limit S tends to 0, 1 by S G of S, because if you put S equal to 0, S term 4. So this is actually steady state error. And this steady state error is 5%. It is 5 by 100. Or limit S tends to 0 of S G of S is 100 by 5, which is 20. Now we know that G of S is A into 1 plus EAS 1 plus TBS, etc. divided by S power P, where P is the type, 1 plus T1S, 1 plus T2S. Now, if there should be a value for, now S times G of S will be A 1 plus TS 1 plus TVS divided by S power T minus 1 plus T1S 1 plus T2S. Now, if this should have a value for S is equal to 0, that means the denominator should not be 0. If denominator should not be 0, then P should be equal to 1. Only if P equal to 1, this S term will go, and if we put S equal to 0, this does not mean go to infinity. So P is equal to 1, or the type is 1. And if we put if P is equal to 1, then limit S tends to 0 of S G of S for a type 1 system will be all the S terms are 0, means K into 1 by 1 into 1. So it will be K. So K in our case is 20. And K is the 0 frequency gain. When frequency is 0, the gain is K. What do you think? So K is 20 and type is 1. So the answer is 11. The output is going to be G of S 1 plus S 1 plus G of S. When S is 0 for an input, the type number is 1 and 0 frequency gain of the system. Is 20. Thank you for listening.